Vakhandle Group lowu i ntlawa lowu nga ku heleketaka evuwiseleni bya wena hi ndlela yo hlawuleka. U nga ha tlhela u vuyeriwa wa ha ri kwala emisaveni. Swiyenge swa Vakhandle Group swi katsa leswi: muganga basic laha u chayelaka hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 110 rand. U kuma tende 100 wa switulu, mobile toilet, basic sound system, tihunyi na 5000 rand. Muganga premium u chayela hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 130 leyi ku nyikaka 10,000 rand. Muganga super premium ya ku nyika 15,000 rand yi tlhela ku nyika vanhu va ntlhanu vo pfuna loko u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 150 rand ntsena. Muganga cash only benefit u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 110 rand loko u ri xirho u nga engetela 50 rand ntsena. U joyina muganga unveiling benefit vuxokoxoko byi le ka 064 755 5674 kasi eka website hi vakhandlegroup.co.za. Rhumela rungula eka info@vakhandlegroup.co.za. Vakhandle Group, we are family.
So, ni vona this other clip from Politically Incorrect. Not abla swin'wana swa Matsonga Machangana. Kuruwa a break away from Zulus. Na n'wi hlamusela into ku we are not just a breakaway. We were existing even in the presence of those people. But I want to give more clarity to that because people like Nota, they think it expert ka swilo hinkwaswo. And Nota, we're not saying he must not have a view ka swilo swa Vatsonga. But if you don't understand, just go to hell and shut the fuck up. Unga vulavuli swilo swo ka u nga swi tivi Balloon. A ni swi tivi why vanhu va ka Balloon va ri na nomo so. King Dog, ni kombela mi stopa ntswana leyi ka n'wina leyi. Isa loko nga ri va Khumu, i va Timothy, the twins. Vanhu va Xikwembu. But jokes aside, we cannot have people going to occupy platforms and speak bad and speak things they don't understand about us. As twali sweswo. It doesn't make sense for me for Nota. He's not us. Is he us? Yeah. Is Jaime tu. My baba jaru climb pacha. Tanuna shitib. Oh, yemaneme amugalaka de channel that matters. Ambo kwata. Yay. Walava. Aulabi. Itazuku. The only channel that matters to watch. Anyways, this is my birth month. So birthday I made 27th of June. So yeah. But then so this is my birth month. June. And this is my very first video June, so please like this video and share. But also as a birthday gift, what you can do. I'm busy trying to improve the equipment side of it. Minga donatela mali loko mi ri na yona. You can just contact me on my cell phone number, which I'm going to announce now soon, and then I will give you the banking details. But you can just subscribe, like our videos. Even if you want to donate financially without having to talk to me, you can just click that thing there, join. You can just join for once off. Whether it's 20 rand, 30 rand, whatever the amount is there. I don't remember the levels, but there are many levels. So you can give us that birthday gift and you will see us improve this thing. And then big shout out to Gagash for organizing a massive birthday celebration event, well organized. But the success of the event was because of the constituted artists that were there. So the composition of the artists that were there, it was not, he knows good his power like a gas, but he knows good look at number enough not who he must get this big bushy police. So that was to get another audience, but he knows good. But after the event, these people Shongirangani complaining then which those are minor things. The reason why you didn't see the post event stuff trending i mhaka ku event yi fambe kahle a ku lo vona ti-flop a ta va ri ku trend until today. A friend of mine was like phela that event was sponsored by a security company ya Hagias. I was like nah, they sponsored in exchange for marketing. If you were in that event, you will see a lot of out a lot of security personnel, like in terms of providing security, but not the standing point like there for consulting and stuff like that. So you can tell they were for free there for in exchange for marketing. It was a great opportunity for them to market. They understood the business. So yes, Timothy Baloi our sponsor in exchange for marketing. Yes. And then so one thing I wanted to what pissed me off was when Chai was like Shongi Rangan. My man, look, artists are performing. Respect the craft of the artist. Look, agur butwa we solo atava achike stage nanga setana perform ku siya sa sali makamo. Enter what the fans ngale ku bula Shongi Rangan and stuff like that. And what if bula so Shongi Rangan and then she gets pissed off and then she leaves the stage. But anyway, aningatelang sonongo antelet mangatamane Nota Baloi. So before we get into what I want us to talk about Nota, let's watch this clip.
Progress. There's an organization that is just started called Batsonga Bachangana Aihlanganeni. So
I don't agree with that one.
So what
Bachangane must go to their Zulu fathers there.
So what they're saying
they're not
is
part of us. They were conquered by the Zulus. They are Shangans are Zulus. Yes, they speak our language.
Yes. So what they are saying is Wena Baloi. They've spent a lot of time spending time pointing each other to say
But we even live far away from each other.
Yeah, but what they're saying is they've just decided, and Nsago Shubambu is one of the founders there.
Okay.
He's
Tsonga.
Yeah, he's Tsonga. And they have decided to say, let's bury the hatchet, let's unite. Those few differences must not,
So, no, it's a big difference. They are part of another kingdom. They are part of the Zulu nation. They must go and be part of their nation.
But
we must allow it. It's a settled matter.
Yeah.
They lived under a Zulu king. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's a settled matter. We cannot now resettle them amongst us because they belong to another people and they need to contribute to that other people and they need to unite with that people as well. Because when you unite with them, that people, you connect, not just KZN, Pongola, Mpumalanga, Swaziland,
Limpopo, Mozambique.
Not even Limpopo side. They're more in Mpumalanga side, Hoedspruit, Eikhoek, Bushbuck Ridge, all that area. Ne? All the way up to Swaziland, Mozambique, Malawi, and then to the bottom of Tanzania.
Eastern Limpopo and Eastern
everything.
Zimbabwe.
Eastern Transvaal.
Yeah.
Mpumalanga.
Yeah.
All the way up until Tanzania. In the south, where the Maasai is. You understand what I'm saying? So you bring them as part of a larger group. The same way the ones that are in Zimbabwe must decide for themselves whether they are going to, be colonized by the Shona forever or not. Because that's what happened. The Shona collaborated. They created a tribe or a nation out of different tribes, the Kalangas and whoever else, the Tongas, and they created this Shona group. And now this Shona group, because they're in the majority, they were then sent to resist the Ndebeles, who were fighting, who resisted colonization.
Is it true the Shonas they were colonized without putting up a fight?
They didn't put up a fight. They were created. There was no such thing as a Shona person. There were different groups. It's just like if you take Shangans, Tsongas, and Vendas, and then now you call them Gazas. Now they are Gazas. And now you send the Gazas to attack Koshimambur, Koshish Kukun, and the Bedis, and Molechai. Are you hearing what I'm saying?
Yes,
it's the exact same situation. So had that situation then happened...
Right. So just for and for a bit of an understanding, vari kufuma nhlangano ya Vatsonga by Ntsako Shivambu. We can't trust this surname Ntsako Shivambu. Ntsako Shivambu is a well-learned person. Loko swi ta ka swilo swa Vatsonga, like he's I don't want to say he's a tribalist, but he's a culturalist, if that would exist. Munhu loyi a nga na ntokoto ngopfu swi ta ka language ya Vatsonga. So I don't know about the politics of it, and I'm not much more interested in the politics of Vatsonga. That's why I always avoid talking about kingship and what. Mabo. So not iri Vatsonga bawala under Zulu Nation or Machangan bawala under Zulu Nation. But just to give a bit of brief overview when not loko sulunga sti pala bakwa, you don't have to comment. You don't know. You can't be expert on music, politics, celebrities. When you are just an expert, come on, but when it comes to Vatsonga, you are not us when. Why not I the bakona ban butala batrisa kutisa name takat ngarta Mazulu, but the Zulus because the bakurse Mazulu, they were taught you become what you consume. So if you are taught Zulu, you are going to become Zulu. If you are taught Shitsongo, utava Mtsonga. Mantu says so akuna shaku ungata kumele niwaka ngedlehle kisa Zuma ufuko kuna animchangani kube if there is anything I know iswa Matsonga ntsena nukule Matsongeni ndyondze Xitsonga nukulele ndhavukweni wa Matsonga ncina Xitsonga ndya Vutsonga na loko ntlela Vutsonga na loko ni ahlamula na ahlamula Vutsonga one just a joke. So Nota is not as angari stini na Xitsonga, he knows nothing about Vatsonga, like zero. So this is what happened when you read the history. It's history, I mean. Soshangan was from the Ndwandwe family. Video link, like there's a guy who explained these things better. Soshangan Abarnabu was Dwabona within KwaZulu Natal. Their own name that time in the rebel. Loko Varna now was not Husunkul. And then Shagazulu conquered all of them, but Soshangan refused. But imawi arka gumalir tsong ka mutlotsong no sa papar na basate bambiri so kuran satlong kulan satlotsong. So Soshangan awela ka ntlawalu wa satlontsong I alenu ko surrender to Shaka Zulu. That's when you left. You went to conquer, to fight, conquer all the guman shabatsonga, like hosan shabatsonga, Machangani. Banga babitaniwe kubangoni banzau bayini. But that's how you conquered those people and then said Soshangan. He did not leave KZN with that grouping. Isuke KZN Natal. Isuke Natala with maybe equipment and the knowledge on how to fight, and also maybe with army. Man angasukangi na vuthu ra Vatsonga kumbe na not vuthu angasukangi na rixaka ra Vatsonga aya byala somewhere abana na nsimu ya ye akuleri itukura Machangana ram you went to conquer all of these chiefs laba tuhosi laba. When he conquered in their own lands, iwa lwisemsabeni yabo abahlula kona loko yena atava abaleke ku dlayiwa hi Shaka Zulu, because a stock ange win le, not kuri akuri na like a village kumbe muganga wo karhi lo anga muganga basic wa vakhandli lo mina ku joina vakhandli group hlanganiseni na mina ka 0765661277 na swin'wana leswi mi swi taku na swi provide. So loko miza lo anga sukangi na rixaka ro karhi ku na suka he left as a man, as a soldier, to go fight and win the war. He went to colonize everyone, if you can put it that way. So when not a bolo, we're not a balo, food we're zero. You must know that we are not under Zulus ourselves. We might have been conquered by a conquered king if we acknowledge that guy is our king. But I don't want to get into that space. That's why now, because you conquered us, you could call us Machangan. But it doesn't mean we belong. No. We were existing outside that. And even Shaka Zulu, it was never his mission to fight us. He was busy fighting his own people there. He never went to Mozambique or that side, Lupompo, Lishipilongo, stuff like that. No, he never did that. And also, I'm happy to host anyone with Alabaku. I can give you a phone call. We have that conversation. If you're available, Tresana Maraleonga in Jula, Kunkumaka 0765661277. Let's have a conversation about this and let's share our knowledge. Because now we're going to have one nota who are not us, who will understand anything about us. Who understand nothing about us, I mean. Who can have such mediocre? That's mediocrity. That's mediocre. So Nota, please don't speak up. It's not for the first time I hear him saying this nonsense. He once said it even in that podcast that DJ's Bulavang and capture Koli. We are not going back. We are not going. Why must we go back to a place where we were never were? We were never there, Mos. So Mungzuela Mfalwe Nota Kanga Itoluville. We are a stand-alone tribe. Batsonga Machangani, he acknowledged themselves. Mar, just know good, even that conquered guy Sushangan, when he went to fight there, he did not live there with his own tribe to go produce his own tribe. You find us there, Vamabunda, Vashman, and then you fought those people. Even in Zimbabwe, Matsonga, I once had a conversation with this other lady from Zimbabwe, and then we were being rude to each other. And then she was telling me, wow, delela when I was to talk when I was like, na ile Zimbabwe, la we huma kona when. Wow, delela mako when. And she said, la chin, Ruka, la shaman, you for when.